Are you thinking of selling your home? This is John Cobelt with important facts for home sellers. Why waste time with an ordinary agent? Call my friend and agent, Rudy Kusuma. Rudy may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy has thousands of qualified buyers in his exclusive Buyers in Waiting program. The fact is, Rudy Kusuma has more buyers, which means more money and a faster sale for you.
Hi, this is Tom Tran, and I know how crazy the waiting game can be when it comes to real estate, which is why I recommend Rudy Kusuma and his team to anyone trying to sell their home. Rudy is one of the top real estate agents in Los Angeles, and he has an exclusive buyers in waiting system with over 7,900 home buyers waiting to buy right now. He may already have a buyer for your home.
Háblele a Rudy Kusuma. Tiene un sistema exclusivo de más de 7,900 compradores que están buscando comprar ahora. Por Rudy vendió más de 300 casas el año pasado, mientras que el promedio de ventas de otros agentes es de 4 casas por año. Rudy ya tiene compradores y él le va a garantizar por escrito que si no vende su casa, Rudy se la va a comprar a un precio aceptable para ambos. Llámele al único en quien confiaría yo para vender mi casa. Es Rudy Kusuma. 1-888-344-1330. 1-888-344-1330.